Are you looking for the best insert electric fireplaces? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best insert electric fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Electactic 21-inch electric fireplace insert. The Electactic electric fireplace offers a cozy atmosphere with realistic flame effects, perfect for winding down or hosting guests. You can customize the ambience with 5 adjustable flame brightness and flicker speed settings to match your mood. Safety is a top priority, featuring overheat protection and an auto shut-off function, allowing you to relax without worry. With 2 heating modes, you can choose between 750W for low heat or 1500W for high heat, ensuring your comfort is always met. The user-friendly controls let you effortlessly adjust settings from the side panel or remote control, making it easy to enjoy the warmth. What we like: realistic flame effects. Safety features included: 2 heating modes. Easy remote operation. Number 2. PuraFlame Western Electric Fireplace Insert. The PuraFlame Western Electric Fireplace Insert is a sleek and convenient way to add the ambience of a fireplace to your home. With 3 flame settings and variable intensity, you can enjoy the look of a wood-burning fireplace year-round, without the hassle of cleaning up ashes. The adjustable thermostat allows for supplemental heat for up to 400 square feet, and the remote control makes operation easy. The insert is easy to install and uninstall, and can sit directly on the floor. What we like: realistic flame. Easy to install. Great customer service. Number 3. LegendFlame 25-inch W freestanding electric fireplace log set, EF484. The LegendFlame electric fireplace log set is a stunning and convenient addition to any room. With its 25-inch WX20HX10D size, it can be easily placed in small or large existing openings or cabinets. The realistic and authentic resin logs with ember bed create a beautiful flame effect that looks even better than a wood-burning fireplace. Plus, the 100% energy-saving LED technology allows you to enjoy the flame effect all year long, with or without the heater. Speaking of the heater, it provides enough heat for a room of up to 400 square feet, making it perfect for cozy nights at home. The included remote control with 2 AAA batteries adds convenience to your experience. With a 1-year limited warranty and excellent customer service, the LegendFlame electric fireplace log set is a must-have for adding warmth and ambience to your space. What we like: stunning flame effect. Energy-saving LED technology. Heats up to 400 square feet. Number 4. YITAHOME 23-inch electric fireplace insert. The YITAHOME electric fireplace is designed to bring warmth and ambience to your home. You can adjust the temperature to suit your comfort level, ensuring a cozy environment all year round. The beautiful log flame effect can be enjoyed even without heating, making it a stunning focal point in your living room. With 3 brightness settings and a remote control, you can easily customize the flame's appearance from across the room. Plus, the unit includes a safety thermostat that automatically shuts off if it overheats, providing peace of mind while you relax. What we like: adjustable temperature settings. Remote control convenience. Realistic flame effect. Safety shut-off feature. Number 5. Silonn 50-inch smart electric fireplace. The Silonn electric fireplace offers powerful heating with a 5,300 BTU output, allowing you to adjust the temperature from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit for your comfort. With Smart App control, you can conveniently manage the fireplace from anywhere, ensuring your room is warm when you arrive home. The fireplace features 20 stunning flame colors and an automatic color-changing mode, creating a cozy atmosphere for any occasion. Additionally, it operates quietly at less than 45 dB, making it perfect for relaxation or sleep, while a child lock and timer enhance safety for your family. What we like: powerful 5300 BTU heating. Smart app and remote control. 20 flame color options. Quiet operation. Child lock and timer.